and this was my curtain that I put up in the Kia Sorento that I picked up. See it with the Falcon Wild Peak all-terrains and 245s. Those are pretty cool. It's also all-wheel drive, and it has four-wheel lock, which I really wanted in a SUV. What I used was a clothes bar from Walmart. I'll put a link if I can find one similar to Amazon, but it was $10 or less for this clothes bar. And what I did with it is I used carabiners with it to hook it up there because it has loops at the end of each side, and it also extends out. As you can see, there's the curtains like I put on there. That's the first set of curtains I tried. I've had forever. They're a little too see-through, but when you're inside, and also let too much light. So I went and got a better pair. They did not have any blackout ones. I'll sooner or later pick some up or order them. So I got those. The ones I got, they're a little bit thicker than the ones that was just showing, and these are the ones I put on there. I didn't cut these this time, just in case I wanted to use them for something else in the future. Because the other ones I cut, so they're basically ruined. So I'll likely have to throw them away if I don't find a use for them. You see the hooks on the end of the clothes bar. Just slide it over there, and if you want to make it easier to slide, take off the rubber that's on it. The little rubber pieces can come off. You just tear it off of there, and it'll slide a lot easier. There's the carabiners. It's hooked right there. You can push the backs of the chairs, seats back, and you can push the bar up a little higher so to sit above it. There it is with the new curtains installed. As you can see, the material is a little bit thicker. You cannot see in that during the day. I can tell you that for a fact. Now, until I get blackouts, I would be mindful of using light if I'm not camping. Say I was stealth camping in the city. That's my setup. I did a mock setup today, just checking it out. My refrigerator, my Blue Eddy, and my bed, which I keep a cover underneath of the sleeping bag, and also I put it like just to make sure I do not, lay on the actual mattress, the thin mattress itself, because you get your body oils and everything on it and all that good stuff. I can sit up in there. I just can't sit all the way up, but it's so much better than having it too high and feeling like you're in a coffin, because you can't do anything. You can only get in the back and lay down. So at least I can sit up and lean over. And also, if the top was open, if I had my panoramic roof open, I'd have a couple more inches of room to headroom, by the way. So, but I'm really liking how it came out. I can lay down fully extended at 6 feet, no issues. It's soft enough, and I also have a backup mattress pad and inflatable one if I really need. I'll also take the inflatable mattress pad with me. It's a single, so it's not a big deal, but it was still pretty comfortable, to be honest with you. And like I said, I made it low enough that it didn't feel like my nose was about to touch the roof like I see in so many of the builds. I really like the thing of being able to sit up somewhat in there. And the Kia Sorento is a pretty roomy SUV, to be honest with you. I have no problems with being squished up front in regards to leaving the bed down when I'm traveling. It goes back far enough for me that I'm pretty comfortable in the front seat when I'm driving also. Now, with that being said, I'm really satisfied with this build. The window covers came out really good, I think. And like I said, you can see light around the corners of it. If I really want to fix it, I can put a little bit of black duct tape on it, and on the parts that are not blacked out, and fix it real simple on the window covers themselves. Not a big deal. Pretty satisfied. I actually really like what I did with this, and this was my first build like this. It's a simple build. The bed's made out of scrap wood and an old dresser, or drawers, just 2 drawers that I put together and made a long drawer. I'll keep modifying that because I'd like to put like a pole or something on the bottom of it so it can stand up, and maybe have like some type of, I don't know, surface where maybe if I want to cook outside or something like that. You can see the Blue Eddy 800-watt generator sitting right there. That thing is awesome. I actually powered a 250, really it's 200-watt heater, space heater with it, and it worked awesome. As you can see, I think it looks pretty comfortable, especially for what this is. This is an SUV. It's not a minivan, so it doesn't have the room of the minivan, but it has plenty of room for me. I am really, really satisfied and ready to go out and do some trips. Like I said, I got to still work on the drawer itself, but the drawer's working pretty fine, I must admit. I'm so glad I thought of doing that instead of scrapping it. Anyway, I just wanted to share this with everybody and what I've done. Maybe it helps some people out, maybe gives you some ideas, especially if you have a SUV or CUV, whether it's a Kia Sorento. We also have a Ford Edge. I won't do with that, that's my spouse's, but it's about the similar size to this. But, you know, whatever you got, SUV, build you a little bed platform and go hit the road. Those Falcon Wild Peak all-terrain tires with the 3-peak certified snow and mud, or 3-peak snow certified severe weather, excuse me, are really great tires. I've already tried them out in the snow and they are awesome. And they look really good on the Kia Sorento, to be honest with you. Anyway, everyone, I want to thank you again for watching my videos. And I hope this maybe gives some people some ideas, especially if you got you a CUV or SUV sitting outside your house or in your garage. You're wondering what you could do with it to make it a better road trip partner. I hope this helps someone. Thank you for watching, everybody, and have a good day.